Have you ever seen this happen? At sites with dozens of waste bins, cleaning staff must constantly patrol the area, yet bins may still be missed or overflow. This increases workload and reduces efficiency. The NHR B01 Smart Waste Bin Fill Level Sensor offers a smarter solution.
Hi, today we're at a busy Taipei metro station where we have installed one of our smart waste bin sensors. So right now you can see one of the cleaners already emptying it, but you can see that our sensor is already live and in place. And right now we're simulating it with some trash here. So the moment it detects something is already overflowing from the trash can, it will send a signal to the main office to send over a cleaner to empty the trash cans.
Once installed, it automatically detects each bin's fill level and sends real-time data through IoT.
So now you can hear our device initiating a beep, indicating that a particular waste bin is full or overflowing. So we assign two distinct beeps to indicate which side of the station has an overflow. So simply press the button, acknowledge that you received the message, and the cleaners will go and empty the bin.
Instead of inspecting bins one by one, managers can schedule collection based on actual fill levels. This reduces unnecessary patrols, improves workforce efficiency, and helps reduce the need to bring in cleaning staff from other stations on weekends, and helps lower operating costs.
So nowadays, it's a very challenging task to collect waste, especially in modern facilities such as subway stations and MRT stations. The space is so wide and so big and a lot of people coming in, so yeah.
A clean environment is the face of a modern city. NHR B01 uses smart technology to improve waste collection and keep public spaces clean, organized, and welcoming.